Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shawarma restaurant business. Suppose as the owner of shawarma restaurant business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to check the menu, place order and notify about new shawarma special. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shawarma restaurant business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and type variety of shawarma. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. Hello, welcome to Spice Wrap Shawarma. We serve the tastiest shawarma in town. What would you like to do today? Now we have an option view menu, place order. Simply click on view menu. After click on view menu, we are getting the response. Classic chicken shawarma, veggie delight shawarma. Now we have an order now button. Simply click on order now button. After clicking, I am getting another response. Great. Let's place your takeaway order. What would you like to order? Now simply type to veggie delight shawarma. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. Awesome. Please share your full name. Now I am typing my name. Test user. After typing my name, I am getting another response. Awesome. Please share your pickup time. Now I am typing 10 a.m. After typing time, I am getting another response. Order summary. Order 2 veggie delight shawarma. Name test user. Pickup time 10 a.m. Now we have a confirm button. Simply click on it. After clicking, I am getting our last message. Thanks test user. Your takeaway order is confirmed. See you at 10 a.m. So you will see I am getting responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your shawarma restaurant business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. We can also trigger our chatbot with the help of keywords and template. Now we take text button and write a welcome message on it. Hello, welcome to Spice Wrap Shawarma. We serve the tastiest shawarma in town. What would you like to do today? Now in this we also add buttons. View menu, place order. Now simply connect the flow. Now we take media button and simply upload the image which I already downloaded and enter the caption and also add order now button. Now we take another media box and upload the image and simply enter the caption and also add order now button and save the flow. When user press view menu button, then we will send over this message. Now we take question box and write a message on it and select the contact custom field order and also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this order now button to this question box and this place order button to this question box. When user click place order button, then we will send over this message. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask a name from user. Awesome, please share your full name, and you will see I am using asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now we select the contact custom field full name, also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this box and save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take another question box and write a message on it. Awesome, please share your pickup time. Now select the contact custom field time. Also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take text button and write a message on it. Order summary, order name, pickup, and you will see I am using dollar sign. Why we use dollar sign? Dollar sign is used to when user enter their details, the dollar sign replace their details with order, full name and time. Now we simply connect this question box to this message box. Now we take another text button and write our last message on it. Thanks dollar full name, your takeaway order is confirmed. See you at time. In this we also add confirm button and simply connect this confirm button to this message box and save the flow. If you want to increase your chatbot, you can do according to your needs. Now we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and type Shawarma. After typing, you will see I'm getting response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.